So, putting tire letters on a Can-Am Ryker, is it really worth it? Check it out, we're gonna do it right now. Alright, first thing you're gonna need is acetone. And what you're gonna have to do is get yourself some pure acetone and some microfiber cloths, because you gotta wipe down all that tire shine off the cloth. All this tire shine gotta come off, right? And once that's clean and you keep wiping and wiping, you're gonna take the shine off the tire. Once you get the shine off, you know. So then you're gonna have your tire letters, which are gonna be these rubberized tire letters, these right here. And they tell you use glue decent amount, but don't overdo it because you only get one bottle. And they say you can go back and fix it. The pieces that come up that are not really adhesive, maybe you missed a corner or two, or it popped up and it didn't go down, whatever popped up and didn't go down. So after you apply, I'm gonna show you how to apply the glue and then stick the tire letters on. You're gonna repeat for 3 tires, but the back tire, of course, is gonna get 2. So here we go. This is the tire letters. You're gonna clean the back with a little acetone. Make sure you clean it up nice. Here's your little bottle of glue. You're gonna apply your glue sparingly across that. Make sure you get all the corners. Don't glob it, just rub it around. And then apply the letters. So as you're applying the letters, it's going to start to look like this. And you're going to hold each letter down, try to get the corners. Now, if there's a corner that gets messed up, you can go back and put a little glue up in the corners there. Make sure it gets stuck well. So far so good. This is the first set of Can-Am. We're going to do Can-Am on all sides, and then we're going to do Ryker 900. Can-Am.
Truck and then another car.
Yeah?
We just hopped in.
Wait a minute, heat gun. Warm it up, you know. Did you eat?
Nope.
The deli's open on the corner if you want to go get something.
Can't even eat bread, bro.
She makes chicken and rice. She makes stewed chicken and rice. I've had it there before. It's not bad. All right, tire letters are done, installed. You let me know if it's worth it, how it looks. I'm gonna show it to y'all. And remember, everybody, ride safe, always ride safe.